the recording and we'll get started. Okay. Okay. Good evening, guys. I would like to welcome everyone to Clockwork Sales Method, where in the next 7 days, you are going to discover the three-step clockwork method to launch your profitable Facebook ad that would generate leads and sales for you round the clock with literally no prospecting, no random cold calls, and literally zero tech skills. So you'll be generating leads even when you're sleeping, and you won't have to be a technically expert with that. It's just easy thing. So today we'll be discussing mainly the basics. Like first of all, we'll start why digital marketing. Why is it a trend in 2020 and why it's going to stay here? I've shared a graph here from Statistica. It says the digital advertising expenditure in India from year 2014 to 2024. It is giving the estimation. Just see the graph. It's clearly rising and rising. That means it simply means just one thing. People are going digital, businesses are going digital, and we have to go digital too if you want to survive. And there's a trend as well. You might have experienced this in COVID. Like everyone is going digital now, and businesses are being shut down, but this is the business which is booming right now. Like people are benefiting at this time. Okay. So a few days back, I'd written an article on why to go digital. I'll quickly go ahead with those reasons. First of all, we'll get location freedom. We can sit and work from anywhere, sitting from Goa, sitting from Himalaya, anywhere. If we have the network and a desktop, we can work. Low starting investment. We don't need lakhs of rupees or crores of rupees to start. Just a same device set, and you can start with as low as 75 rupees with Facebook ads. Or the investment is very low here, even if you set up everything. And the incredible scalability. That means you once, like in unlike offline business, when you want to expand this, you won't have to rent another office space or another infrastructure. You can just put in more money and in ads, and you can get more clients easily. And it's easy to stand out. It's a good reason to go digital. Why? Because if you, let's say if you open a shop somewhere, there will be tons of shop already. But if you're going digital, although there are so many similar websites in your niche, lots of people are teaching digital marketing, but I also made a mark there. That's why you people came to me. So it's easy, like you can create your brand easily. So keep these things in mind. These are the important basic things. Okay, so please help me to get started. See this slide. Like you might have heard, like if this is a first time into digital marketing, you might have heard lots of things like uh, digital marketing, um, search engine optimization, social media marketing, blogging, YouTubing, and then now people are earning by TikTok also. Then content writing, search engine, lots of things are there. But you have to get started with at least one. You can't get started with everywhere. So if you want to get started, which one to get started with? It's just like I'll describe it once more. Like for example, if you're studying engineering, there are lots of things in it, right? Like chemical engineering, computer science engineering, this engineering, that engineering. If you're doing doctorate, so there are also lots of things are there. So in digital marketing also these branches are there. And then, for example, if you decide to stick with one branch, in one branch also thousands of tools are there. Like we took an example, YouTube is there, MailChimp is there for sending mails. Then let's say email is there, Google Sheet is there, Facebook lead ads are there. If you run ads, lots of ads things are there. For building landing pages, ClickFunnels is there. For building a website, Shopify is there. Like lots of tools are there. If you don't have an idea, you will be like confused and puzzled. No worries, don't get worried about that. This session is designed to help you with that itself. Before we go ahead with the solution, I'd like to introduce myself. I'm an Accenture employee and I'm a pizza lover. I'm a founder of CDTS Web Solutions. And the most important point for everyone, I have managed paid ads of over 1.5 crore rupees for clients, including Facebook ads, Google ads, TikTok ads, and Hotstar ads. When I say that, I mean that I have worked with clients who have spent around 30 to 40 lakhs per month as well for their company to scale. It was not my money, it was their money, but uh, I got to learn lots of things. Like I have 4 years of experience in these things now, and in this things, like by spending 1.5 crore rupees, it means I've got lots of learning from there, and that's why I've come up with this course so that I can help other people also get started. And I've helped other coaches and business owners generate consistent number of leads and sales. I'll share reviews soon. The only tool to start with. So we are confused, like there are thousands of tools. So to start with, uh, what I prefer Facebook ads, Facebook and Instagram ads. When you're learning Facebook ads, you automatically learn Facebook ads as well. Sorry, when you're learning Facebook ads, you automatically learn Instagram ads as well. Just using single platform, you'll be able to leverage both. And see, there's another graph. Why Facebook? It represents the number of users active on Facebook worldwide. See, the graph starts from 2008 and goes up till 2019. See, the graph is going up again. Simply it means people are using Facebook over and over again. New users are coming. Your audience is on Facebook, so you can scale it. Same goes with Instagram. Your audience is in Facebook and Instagram is growing year on year. So if they are growing, why not should we leverage them? So uh, now that we know why to go digital and which tool to get started with, I'll tell why I'm so much obsessed about Facebook and Instagram ads, why I picked them up, and what I learned from my journey. First of all, it's easiest to master and get started. Like there are lots of tools, but Facebook is the easiest one to master. Like by the end of these 7 days, even if you don't know anything, like even if you're complete newbie in this, or even if you have run an ad once or twice but didn't get any good result, or you want to improve it, it's fine. By the end of 7 days, you'll have a clear thing on how to choose your audience, what offer to create, everything you will know slowly, and what is different types of ads we can do. So within 7 days you can master it. Not master it, but within 7 days you will have a good idea. You will master it, of course, with time. Second point, support segmentation of audience. What do I mean by that? Basically, uh, when you're using Facebook ads, or for example, let's say offline targeting, when you're giving your ads on newspaper or television, right? So there, what you have to do, if you want to advertise a product in Delhi, for example, you're into coaching and you want to give your services to people in Delhi, and that to a particular area, let's say one part A of Delhi. Okay, so you'll have to give your ad on entire newspaper, and then maybe your product is not for everyone, but still you have to pay for entire Delhi newspaper, right? And let's say if you want, let's say somebody saw your ad and you want to build your brand and give one ad again you have to give the ads to entire Delhi. But what you can do in digital marketing, that you can pinpoint people. Like if your ad is for students, you can show your ad and use your money to show your ad only to students, not everyone else. That too, students who are of age 17 to 30, let's say 17 to 19, and who are studying in high school and who lives in Bangalore, and who uses this kind of mobile. So you can go with that level of targeting. See, I mentioned a few, like you can target them by age. You can show your ads depending upon gender, whether they're male or female. You can choose interest, if they like Ronaldo or they like Sachin, whom they like. You can choose upon that. You can choose upon the
Hello,
mobile they use. You can
hello,
choose upon the
Pankaj,
demographics, if they're married or not. You can choose according
Pankaj,
to. Yeah, who's this?
पंकज मिथुन जैन यार.
Yeah, okay.
व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप में बहुत लोग मैसेज डाल रहे हैं कि उनको कनेक्ट नहीं हो रहा, यूजर आईडी पासवर्ड मांग रहे हैं. आप थोड़ा यूजर आईडी पासवर्ड दे दो फिर इसका लिंक का
Once again, okay.
ग्रुप में
I said,
पोस्ट कर दीजिए, है ना.
does not please update Zoom app. It's not updated. Like, look.
Yeah, I think I would like to add something here. If Zoom is not updated, people won't be able to connect it because they had a big update yesterday.
Acha,
हाँ,
yeah,
तो
the security issue
पंकज
is there.
पंकज आप ग्रुप में डाल दो, एक तो जूम ऐप उनका
So I
अपडेट
just
कर
added
देंगे.
a message there. Please update the app.
हाँ, और आप यूजर आईडी और पासवर्ड अगर कुछ उसका रहे लिंक में ज्वाइन करने का, तो वो भी शेयर कर दो उनको.
Sure, okay.
सर मीटिंग आईडी और पासवर्ड दे दो प्लीज सर.
हाँ, मीटिंग आईडी और पासवर्ड दे दो. यस.
One second.
Sorry for interrupt, Pankaj.
No issues. Like they were waiting. No
Yes.
security. Open computer zone. But there is no ID.
जूम की वेबसाइट में जाओगे आप, वहां पे मिल जाएगा आपको मीटिंग आईडी और पासवर्ड.
Return to meeting. Stop share. बस एक सेकेंड. Host copy URL.
इन योर शेड्यूल्ड मीटिंग.
हाँ मिल गया. Zoom update required. शायद अपडेट ही होगा क्योंकि पासवर्ड तो आप लोगों को किसी को चाहिए नहीं था. बट स्टिल पासवर्ड 1 2
नहीं, अगर पासवर्ड है पंकज जी, अगर पासवर्ड है तो आपको पासवर्ड शेयर करना पड़ेगा, तभी वो अंदर आ पाएंगे.
ओके 1 2 3 पासवर्ड तो दिख रहा है इसमें. 1 2 3 286. Okay. ठीक है, तो we'll continue again. Okay, so we were discussing about like using Facebook ads, we can pinpoint our audience and target them. Then there's another better thing about Facebook ads, that we can position ourselves in their mind. Like if you're somebody is typing to buy a laptop on Google, so he'll type buy Lenovo laptop, but he'll type only when he needs it. He won't type it regularly. But if you have some offer, so you can show your ad when you're browsing Facebook. You might have seen one ad from Facebook, from Flipkart, someday from this website, someday from that website. You might keep on seeing those ads, right? So what happens is you can flash your ad when they are checking status of their friends. So that is the possibility in Facebook. And you can retarget people. What does retargeting mean? That is the daily example which I took. Like if you're advertising a newspaper, if you want to show to people who have already liked your ad, you can show to them. Okay. And then there are lots of images types, like images you can put, videos you can put, lots of things are there. Okay. And then there are like equal opportunity to compete. We've already discussed this. And then another good point is that you will get, for those who have joined now, we are discussing basically the importance of Facebook ads. So the benefit, another benefit for Facebook ads is you'll get immediate result. Like if you advertise on TV, you won't know that if those advertisement worked or not. You won't get immediate result. Like people will buy or not, you can't measure it as well. But in Facebook or some online ads, any ad, just Facebook, Google, Instagram, anything, you can measure the result. You'll get immediate sales. If you run the ad now, if the ad is good, if the offer is good, you might start seeing the sales in next 10 minutes, 20 minutes once it's approved. And then it's too much easy to fix mistakes. Like for example, if you give a newspaper ad and something goes wrong, then it's gone. But if you give an ad on Google or Facebook, and let's say if I made some mistake in my image, I can easily go ahead and correct it. We discussed about the various options it gives for targeting. It's scalable, no location boundaries. Sitting from anywhere in the world, you can show your ad to anywhere in the world. Work from anywhere. So now that we've discussed lots of benefits on why to use Facebook ads, so the next question comes into people's mind: do Facebook ads really work? I want to hear from you. Like, have you heard complaints from people? Like, please go ahead and type in chat what complaints you have heard from people. Like, you might have heard things like, "No, it doesn't work. We don't get leads and sales. Leads are waste of, like, we don't get quality leads. We don't get clicks to our ads." Have you heard this kind of things for Facebook ad? Please type in chat. Pankaj says पैसा लगाया but leads नहीं मिली. Okay. And what about others? In my own experience, it didn't work out for me. Okay. And before one more thing, like right now, can everyone say like if is this your first time about Facebook ads? If yes, please type first time. If you have already done, so let me know if you're already user, so that I can adjust it accordingly. What about others?
First time.
Okay. That's not but
First time only.
okay, okay. So most of us are first timers done somewhere back. Okay, no problem.
First time.
Okay. Thanks for the confirmation, guys. So this will be a good course for you. Like in 7 days, you will be getting each and every idea for about these things. Okay, so we'll move on. First time, okay. So we were asking like, do Facebook ads really work? Yes, it does. Why? See the annual graph of Facebook's revenue. Facebook annual revenue from 2009 to 2018. See, Facebook is the income graph for Facebook is going up and up. Again, the same theory applies. And their majority of the income is from Facebook ads. And if people are investing on Facebook ads, it simply means one thing, that they are getting results, nothing else. Because if they are not getting results, why would they invest? Any idea, guys? Like, why is it not getting hidden? All about the share the screen. Show content. Putting, got it. Cool. Okay, so we're checking the Facebook's annual graph, right? So if people are getting results, that's why they are advertising on Facebook. Simple and clear. And we've already discussed like the top problems which people say with Facebook ads, that Facebook ads don't work. Why? Because their posts aren't reaching enough people. Somebody says no one is liking or commenting on my post. Other person says I'm getting clicks but not leads. And then somebody says I'm getting leads as well, but they're not getting converted. And this was the problems which we had discussed. I hope everyone can relate to it. All right, Pankaj, got it. But I don't have time.
अंदर से घुसेड़ के क्लोज किया था ना, घुसेड़ के अननेसेसरी थी, घुसेड़ के बड़ा करके रखा था, उसको मैंने छोटा किया.
Okay, I don't have much time. I don't have much technical expertise. And then you might have heard words like automation, funnel, lead magnet. Then you might get scared. Like so many things are there. Again, lots of tools. No worries. That's why we have crafted this thing, 7 days workshop, where you will get the basic idea of everything you need to get started. We'll cover these things one by one. You don't need any rocket science tech skills. It's just as easy as installing your software. Like whatever software you do next, you can do same thing here. And then about the time complaint, you don't need to spend more than 60 minutes per day to learn this. So within 7 days, if you're learning continuously, coming online and learning this and clearing your session doubts, so within the next 7 days, you'll have a good idea of how Facebook ads work and how can you get started, how can you run your own ad, how can you write your ad image, everything. And about the budget, you don't need a bigger budget as well. You can start with as low as 75 rupees per day. Just by 75 rupees per day, you can get started. And don't worry about buzzwords like automation, Zapier and all. We'll cover it later as and when required. So the thing which you can expect from this workshop is by the end of 7 days, you will be able to launch your profitable Facebook ads in less than 1 hour with correct strategies so that you are actually getting leads and then you can convert those leads into sales. So now the next important thing is why paid ads and not free stuff? Guys, we are covering the basics today. From tomorrow on, we'll be doing the practical thing. So yeah. So why paid ads and not free stuff? See, like there was questions like when I launched this course, first question which people said was like, why paid ads? Why not do organic thing? When I say organic thing, it means like sharing your content on various Facebook groups, posting content daily every time. So lots of things are there. Then, but see, even if you're getting results by sharing your content, like if you have a service or product, and if you go to hundreds of groups daily and keep on sharing, like please, I have this offer, please go and buy this, then there will be a time that people will ban you. Why? Because most of the groups don't allow promotions. They're there for informational purpose. And if there are groups where they allow promotions, then thousands of people will promote. Your product won't be visible. That's a common problem. And then even if you're getting results, you're spending your time, right? So either you spend time or money. And the another thing is it won't be scalable. Like for first few days, 7 days, 8 days, you might get results. But slowly, there will be same people. Let's say in a group, 1 lakh people are there. Only 1 lakh people will be there who will be seeing your ads every time. Whether you post it 10 times a day or any time a day. Same people will be there. And then it depends upon luck. Like you will post there, but if your post will reach to 1 lakh people or not sure. Usually Facebook organic reach is very less, 1%, even less than that. Then another thing is you'll get banned from groups, right? Which we discussed. And these are basically everything I mean to say is these are unreliable source of traffic. You can't depend on them for running your business. If you want to start and build a business online, you have to go for paid ads. There's no other alternative. You can go for organic, but it will take 3 years, 4 years to keep on building the thing. If you want to start now, only paid ads, no other solution. People are doing that. I am doing that. Everyone is getting results. So another thing, like why paid ads work? Why? Because we are showing the ads to everyone related who might be interested. For example, if we are into selling birthday cakes, for example, we can show our ads to people whose birthday is coming in recent, like let's say next month, or whose birthday is in June. So you can show your ad only to those kind of people. Or if you're selling gifts, so you can show your ads to friends of those people. Like let's say Pankaj's birthday is on June 25th. You can show your gifting item to my friends, people who are friends with me on Facebook. You can show your ads to them. So they will see, oh, yeah, Pankaj's birthday is coming. I should give something to him. That kind of a thing. You can show your ads to, basically you can show your ads to correct target people. And then second point is, like if you have a skill where you can make a person go from point A to point C and skip the point B. What is point B? Point B is a point where people are spending time learning, doing mistakes, falling again and learning again. So if you can, if you have that kind of experience and skill, if your product, even if you have a product, if you can help people reach that point, like for example, I'm teaching you Facebook ads in 7 days. So in 7 days, you'll get a good idea and you will be able to run your own ad. You won't have to spend thousands of rupees and like months and months to learn, and then waste your money and learn, waste your money and learn. So I'll be giving you the correct ways. So that's why people are enrolling in the course, right? So if you have such kind of a skill, people will buy and paid ads will work. And the third point is, even if they don't need to buy, like in the case of laptop we discussed, even if you keep on showing, when people are browsing Facebook, keep on showing ads that yes, there is offer on this cloth, there is offer on this book, keep on showing that. People will somehow, like 1 day, 2 day, 3 days, after 4 5 days they will think, yes, I have to buy this. So there is another concept in digital marketing. Like if you can spend 1 rupees on an ad.
Pankaj,
Yeah.
can we do a area basis ad also? Like I select a city and I say, yes, do this Facebook ad only for city. Let's say.
So sorry, like let's take the questions at last. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah. It's just few more slides. After that, we can easily answer in details. So there's one more thing. Like if you can spend 1 rupees on an ad and make rupees 2 back, you won't have to worry about money again. What does this mean? For example, if you're spending, let's say if you're selling products of 500 rupees, and if you have to pay Facebook 100 rupees, or let's say 250 rupees, by giving 250 rupees and you are earning 500 rupees. Let's say if I'm selling a digital course, right now I sold you 99 rupees course. So 99 rupees course, I didn't have to prepare it, manufacture it. No cost was involved. Basically, I can sell unlimited copies. Like in single webinar, I can invite thousands of people. So you are paying me 100 rupees for this course, and if I am able to get it at lesser cost, let's say if I'm paying 50 rupees to Facebook to get a customer to pay me 100 rupees, so I'm paying less, people are paying me more. So then I can keep on giving more money to Facebook. By giving 50 rupees, I'm getting 100 rupees sales. By giving 100 rupees, I'm getting 200 rupees sales. By giving 1000 rupees, I'm getting 2000 rupees sales. Lakh rupees, 2 lakhs. So this thing goes on. That's the beauty of Facebook ads. Looks amazing. So who needs proof? Like I told everything. Now people must be thinking, okay, enough of blabbering. I need proofs. That's why then only I can believe you. So who needs proofs? Please type proofs. proof. Everything good. Cool. Hmm. Thanks for engaging. Like, I want my audience to be engaging. Like, keep on replying so that uh, it's interactive. It's just 7 days session. So it looks amazing. I'll go ahead and share the proof. See, there's one client called Jigyasa for whom we were running Facebook ads for a month. She got 709 leads. 709 people came to her and said that I'm interested in your services. At how much cost? Just 7.95 rupees. Around at 8 rupees, she got an inquiry. And then there's another thing called Conjuice. They're into mobile covers. They got 206 messaging inquiries. They got people message them on their Facebook. They said, hey Conjuice, I need gifting services from you. And there's my own studio which my brother handles in my native. So I'm actually doing this for myself as well. It's not like I'm just doing it for clients, or like I've learned a course and then I'm teaching. No, I'm actually doing it and implementing it for myself as well. In my local area, it reached to 45,000 people. And then comes this Facebook ads, the thing which I shared. See, I'm also getting this many sales daily. And I got this sales at an average price of 60 rupees. There are 2 campaigns running. One is for 60 rupees, another is for 52 rupees. So you paid me 100 rupees to come to this course, and I paid to Facebook around 50 to 60 rupees. So I'm still in a profitable way. So I can spend more and more because I'm in profit, right? That's the beauty. And there was a e-commerce client post like before COVID. Like this is the graph. This is a graph from 1st March to 22nd March. So they got 282 orders, and then after that their business was shut down. Why? Because of COVID. They were not able to do deliveries. So they did 282 orders in just 20 days. So it was around 10 orders.
4 दिन में इस बंदे ने 1 लाख रुपए कमाए हैं फेसबुक एड्स। ये इसका प्रोफाइल कह रहा तुम
Okay. Yeah. So basically, this is the revenue which they made. They sold products of 87,000 in just 20 days using Facebook, and average comes around 10 to 20 orders per day. And next, I'll share this feedback over WhatsApp group.
Hi,
So, do you want to achieve this kind of results? Please type in. Avijit says yes. Yes. Okay, cool, thanks. And for those who missed some part of the video, don't worry, everyone will be getting recordings. So
yes,
I showed you the results, but there's a disclaimer always. Like these people, my results are, and the results of my students are not typical, nor are they in any way meant to be suggestion or prediction of what kind of results you will be achieved by using my methods. Basically, if you work hard for the 7 days, you'll be getting an overview of how to run your profitable ads, but there's never a guarantee that you will actually get those things. But of course, if you do, you will get. It might take time for you, but if you keep on doing, of course, you'll get the success. And I'll be there to help you with my experience. No worries about that. What I need from you, what's my expectation? That simply be interactive. Whatever task I give, complete that on time and submit, so that by the end of 7 days, you actually have an idea. It's not just like you run out of, you just watch 7 videos and leave. You actually will get an idea, and we'll be helping you create your own image, write your own ad, and then which type of ads should you use, like lots of ads are there. So what type of things you have to use, everything will be covering. So you have to keep on doing tasks. So the last thing, will it work for you? Yes, if your customers are humans and if they are on Facebook, it will work for you. For example, if you're selling, like this is my favorite example, I keep on repeating. Like for example, if you're selling food for dogs, it is not the dogs who will buy, it is their owners who will buy. And if they are on Facebook, they will buy. And everyone is on Facebook because we saw the graph around 2.41 billion were there on Facebook till that time. Now I think the graph has gone up in this year. And guys, one more thing, just for everyone's information, this is the best time, this COVID time is the best time to run Facebook ads. Why? Because like the demand and supply concept applies here. The supplies a lot more, like Facebook, like for example, Facebook, they have lot of ad spots, like you can go ahead and advertise on that. It will be more cheaper. Why it will be cheaper? Because lots of people have joined Facebook in this COVID. They are spending more and more time in this time. So everyone is spending time on Facebook, so you have lots of audience, but very less advertisers are there, so you can leverage that. Okay, so you have identified. And another thing is, it will work for you if you have identified a problem to solve. Like I have identified a problem that I can help people to start their ads and get leads and sales. So it's working for me. If you have such a identified such kind of problems that you can teach some other skill, it will work for you. And you have a service or product to be worth to be paid for. Like it shouldn't be like a random service. It should be like people should be happy to get that. Not everyone, but your target audience should be happy. Okay, and then you should have a good offer, and you should provide value in exchange for money. I showed you proofs. I've done this in the real world. It works for everyone. It will work. So guys, now we are open to questions. Now please go ahead and ask everyone's question.
Okay, Pankaj, Ramzan here.
Sorry, your voice is coming very low.
Okay, now can you hear, Pankaj?
Yeah, it's coming
Okay.
fine. But please go
My
ahead.
name is Ramzan. Pankaj, to create the Facebook ad, can I create with my personal account, or do I need to have some page also created? Like I'm an Excel trainer, and after this I will plan, okay, I will launch my one Excel training advertisement, and I will plan some 1 week of sessions for them. So do I need to have the page, like some page Excel training, something like that, or if I have a Facebook account just named Ramzan Rajani, can I run with that also?
No, to run your Facebook ads, everyone, we have to create a business page. It's free. It
Oh,
takes just 5 minutes. So please
okay,
create that. We'll be doing that tomorrow. So page is
okay,
required. Next question,
okay.
please.
Okay, same on the same basis. Quick question.
Yeah, yeah.
Like when when we registered on your workshop, so we
Okay.
saw your ad, and your ad took us to Instamojo. From Instamojo, I don't know how it went to automatically. We got Facebook message. We were registered. This that. So how this everything happened? This all you will be teaching us during this 7 days.
I'll give you the basics. In 7 days, it won't be possible to cover all those things.
Hmm.
Like those things are covered in my next level course. But in 7 days, the concept is to get you started. Like right now, we don't have any idea of how Facebook ads work, right? So in
Hmm.
7 days, we'll be discussing one part day by day. So that one
Okay.
day we will learn how to target right kind of people. Second day we'll
Okay.
learn how to design your ad image. Third day we'll
Okay.
learn how to write the description. Like you might have read a long description which kept you motivating to buy this. So we'll
Hmm.
learn those kind of things. So 7 days we'll be covering these things only. So we won't get time to cover automation thing.
Okay.
So
Okay.
no worry.
Okay.
But that thing is required after, like once you have lots of leads. Like
Because I really liked the way you had planned.
thank you.
Means it went to Instamojo paid, and we got WhatsApp messages, Facebook group. Means it
Yeah,
was well planned. So I wanted to learn that type of fully automated things. Yeah.
no problem. We'll learn that. Like first
Okay.
we'll master that. Like next.
Okay.
Okay. Because
Hi Pankaj.
sorry,
Pradeep.
Aman, sir. Just a moment.
Yeah.
To Ramzan, just one thing more. Like initially, you won't be needing those things, automation.
Okay.
If you're getting just 5-10 leads per day, you can handle it. Like every day, you can message them. So you are advised to don't get confused with those things. Once you get like 20 leads, 30 leads per day, and if you think like things are getting out of control, then to save time, try to do those things. Until then, try to improve your ads and get more leads and sales.
ठीक है.
Yeah, Mr. Raman sir, please.
Hi Pankaj, Pradeep here.
Hi. Oh, sorry.
First of all, आपको मुबारकबाद देना चाहूँगा क्योंकि मैं अभी जैसे आपको देखा तो मुझे लग रहा है कि एक अच्छे ट्यूटर के साथ मैं जुड़ा हुआ हूँ जो सिखाने की कोशिश कर रहा है और विद काफी रिजनेबल प्राइस में लोगों को सिखाने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं, राइट? अब जैसे रमजान भाई ने जैसे पूछा तो उसी उसमें पूछना चाहूंगा, ऐड अप करना चाहूंगा कि आप हमें फेसबुक ऐड करना तो सिखा देंगे, लेकिन उस फेसबुक ऐड को कैसे लैंड करवाना है, जो गूगल का फॉर्म है या गूगल के फॉर्म से वापस उसको रेजर पे या किसी भी पेमेंट मेथड से उसको जोड़ करके लेके आना और बैक टू व्हाट्सएप पे लेके आना या उस डाटा को मेरे पास लेके आना कि जो भी मेरे साथ जुड़ रहा है उसका डाटा चाहिए होगा, जैसे नाम हो गया, फोन नंबर हो गया, राइट, और उसका ईमेल आईडी हो गया, क्योंकि आई हैव टू गेट बैक टू देम, वी हैव टू गेट बैक टू देम, राइट?
करेक्ट.
नंबर 1. नंबर 2 इज यहाँ पे क्या हम कैन वी डू सॉर्ट ऑफ, जो मेरा अर्लियर क्वेश्चन वाज, previous question query was कि can we do a city based ad generation also, like if I say उदयपुर or let's say small city, बहुत ही छोटा सिटी है भीलवाड़ा, वहाँ पे मैं करना चाहता हूँ, या बहुत ही छोटे एरिया के ऊपर करना चाहता हूँ. I don't want to, let's say मैं एक इंश्योरेंस एजेंट हूँ फॉर एग्जांपल, राइट, और मेरे को मालूम है कि मैं अगर ऑल ओवर इंडिया में इंश्योरेंस का वो करूंगा तो मुझे उसका बेनिफिट नहीं होगा, राइट, क्योंकि मुझे उसका बेनिफिट लेने के लिए मैं ऑल ओवर इंडिया ट्रैवल नहीं कर सकता इंश्योरेंस के लिए. और इंश्योरेंस का जो IRDAI रूल भी बोलता है कि आप अपने सिटी या जहाँ पे आपको कोड मिला है उसी सिटी के अंदर ही आपको जनरेट करना है, राइट. तो मैक्स टू मैक्स मैं अपने रिलेटिव्स के पास जा सकता हूँ दूसरे शहर में, राइट. तो इंश्योरेंस के लिए मेरे को अपने सिटी के अंदर से ही लीड चाहिए होगा, राइट. इस तरह के ऐसे बहुत सारे काम हैं जो मैं अपने सिटी के अंदर रहकर ही कर सकता हूँ या करना चाहूंगा. तो क्या उस तरह के मैं ऐड जनरेट कर सकता हूँ कि जो मेरे को सिटी के अंदर से ही मिले, मेरे को वो टारगेटेड ऑडियंस जो है सिटी के बाहर के ना रहे, सिर्फ सिटी के ही रहे, या पर्टिकुलर पिन कोड बेसिस पे रहे मेरे, क्या उस तरह से हो सकता है ये इस पे?
हाँ, आपका सेकंड क्वेश्चन को मैं आंसर करता हूँ कि हाँ, सिटी वाइज आप टारगेट कर सकते हो. अगर बैंगलोर में आप टारगेट कर रहे हो तो आपको जरूरी नहीं है पूरा बैंगलोर को टारगेट करना. आप बैंगलोर का एक छोटा सा एरिया को पकड़ के भी टारगेट कर सकते हो कि हमको इस 2 किलोमीटर के अंदर ऐड दिखाना है, वो पॉसिबल है. और पहला क्वेश्चन का आपका आंसर ऑटोमेशन वगैरह का, लाइक 7th डे में मैं सबको डेमो दूंगा कि मेरा सिस्टम कैसे चल रहा है. लाइक 6th डे में आपको मैं वो बताऊंगा कि लीड एड्स कैसे चलाते हैं अपना खुद का. उसमें आपको जो फेसबुक ऐड चलेगा और अपना ऐड से जो इंक्वायरीज आएगी वो आप कैसे निकाल के कैसे डेटा रीड कर सकते हो, तो वो सब हम लोग सीखेंगे. लेकिन ये जो पूरा ऑटोमेशन है उसका बस आपको 7th डे में बस हल्का से 1 घंटे के अंदर डेमो दे सकते हैं. बहुत ज्यादा एक्सप्लेन नहीं कर पाएंगे बिकॉज sorry everyone, I forgot. Yeah, so in 6th day we'll be learning about lead ads and how you can generate leads and how you can get inquiries from people. We'll be learning about those things till 6th day. And in 7th day, I'll give you a quick overview of automation. Automation, like learning those things will take 1 month, 2 months. We can't cover that in 7 days, but we'll be giving an overview so that you can get started. Okay.
But do you think, Pankaj ji, that that overview will help us to bring the automation by our own? I understand in a day or within 7 days we will not become an expert. But do you think if within 7 days also we're not getting expert, understand? But just an overview of 1 day for 1 hour on a small topic of automation can make us expert in future if we try to use it.
No.
Or do we require some more classes on that by you or by someone who can teach? I do not know.
In 1 day you can't become an expert on automation. I'll be honest. So this particular 99 rupees course, this is for like getting you started with Facebook ads so that you can start at least getting leads. Right now, most of us are complete beginners. They haven't tried it yet. So we'll be getting the leads. And in 1 hour, in my previous batches, there were people who learned automation in 1 day as well. And just in case if you want to learn it in details, so after 7 days, I will be giving you details about my automation course as well. So please wait till 7th day. We'll be discussing more about that. Okay.
Fine. Okay. Okay. Thank you.
Yeah,
Thank you.
I'll take questions from chat now. Like there is one question. It was an anchor leak which taken there and just like that. If I missed someone questions, please copy paste again in some part of the thing.
Pankaj sir, can I speak?
Yeah, please boliye.
Pankaj sir, first of all, I want to thank you. I know in this COVID-19 with the offer which you are giving, even at the same time I'm doing, and I could find that's a very reasonable. In the market, you will not get in this price. So for that, I really want to thank you from the bottom of my heart, which I'm really grateful to you. I'm really very grateful to you. And the second thing, sir, what you have been telling is that, I know these automation things take time. So if you have the second part of the course, even if it is like 200, 300 or whatever the price you decide, sir, I'm ready to invest on it. I want to learn after the Facebook ad, I want to learn in the second level, like how you do the automations. So I'll be really grateful, and I'm sure there are a lot of people also who are doing this course who will be interested in going to the second level. So if you can teach us the second level, sir, even if you are charging, I know this is a Facebook ad, so I don't want more than like what you have been promised and what you are doing. Great. So in the second level, you can teach us, sir, how to do the automation, like how to link their account, how to create how to create that InstaMojo account, and how to link with your bank account, and when you get the lead, how you sell. Because even I'm planning to sell my product in Facebook, but
Okay.
but you need so many things to be connected, sir. So
Okay.
I'll suggest, sir, if you can provide with the second level, sir, I don't mind. I will enroll myself, even whatever the price you decide.
No problem. Thanks for the feedback.
Thank you.
But
Thank you, sir.
I suggest everyone to excited. I know everyone is excited for these things, and but I'll suggest everyone to go through these 7 days first and run our own ads. After 7 days, we can think about automation. Right now, let's not focus on that. Otherwise, we'll get confused. Don't worry. I'll be telling you about that on 7th day. Till then, we'll get the basics clear. Same goes for everyone. है ना?
Yeah, Pankaj, I think you have make your point correctly.
Yeah.
So we should focus on the 7 day
Current
first.
Right. So after 7 days, we'll discuss. But for 7 days, just let's focus on this so that we are doing something, not just thinking. No worries, we'll help you with that. Yeah. And next question is, I'm not very gadget savvy. Will I be able to do it? Yeah. Everyone can do it. Like it's just simple thing like installing the software next. Within 7 days, you can run your ad actually. No worries about that. And somebody says, yes, I'm too worried about bank account. How will we transferring? We'll be covering those in these 7 days also. Don't worry about that. We'll be covering these things, but not in details. But we'll be covering. Let's focus on these 7 days. Any other questions, guys? I'll be taking up 2-3 more questions. It's 9:50. We can take up a few more questions. Or you can share your that experience with Facebook ads. Like if you have run an ad before, so you can share your experience in 1 line, 2 lines.
Yeah, Pankaj, Shantanu here.
Yeah, Shantanu. Hi.
Yeah, hi. Thank you very much for this wonderful session.
Okay.
So I wanted to know your background is very nice.
Okay.
So if I want to create my Zoom background, how it will create it?
I'll share the link on WhatsApp. You can go ahead and do it.
Okay. In what website it is available? Is it Canva?
I'll share on WhatsApp.
Okay. Okay. Please do it. Please do it. I really like it. I really like it.
So Pankaj, same question on Santanu. This background is nice, but have you put the green color background? Because of that, it's looking very clear.
Yes.
Ah,
So the green screen
because
is there.
if we try, it's not working perfectly. Okay, great. Thank
that
you.
green setup is there.
So Santanu, first you have to adjust the green color background here. Huh? Then
I'll share that video. Like it's very good. Like most of us are coaches here. Like can you guys reply how many of what you are into? Like everyone please reply what is your core profession? Like what do you want to do ads for? Like is it for coaching or what kind of coaching? so that I get an idea of what kind of audience is here.
Yeah, I'm advanced Excel, I have mentioned.
Okay. Science coaching, lecturer, coaching, advanced Excel trainer. Yes, how will you do that? You are doing extraordinary good job. Please keep it up. Thank you, Dhruv. And YouTuber, passive income. Okay, doctor. Nitai, nice. One doctor is also there with us. Nice. Passive income, financial advice, retail business. Thank you. How much will be? Guys, I won't be telling anything about my advanced course for now. Sorry about that. Let's wait for 7 days. Like that is practical based course. So if you're not able to complete these 7 days, so I won't disclose these things. I want to join later on. And yoga and fitness trainer, water pooling restaurant manager. Nice, nice. Thanks everyone. Okay. Any other questions? Last one before we wind up the session. Pankaj Bahuguna says, usually how much you spend for your ads? Right now, Bahuguna, for this particular session, 99 rupees session, I'm spending around 1000 rupees daily. And I'm getting around, let's say 10 to 12. Right now, the cost has increased. So average, I'm getting 10 to 12 registrations for this 99 rupees course per day.
Okay.
Which is fine. Which is fine. I'm doing break even, and that's fine because I don't. It doesn't cost me anything.
Yeah, I understand.
Right.
Thanks.
Okay.
Thank you.
Yeah. Okay. And can we join advance then after 7 days? Sir, I'm into hospitality industry. Also, I'm doing my financial consultant now. Nice. Okay. So most of us are coaches and like. Okay. Okay, if you're able to complete the sentence, yeah, don't worry, guys. Okay, we'll see after 7 days. Don't worry. Okay. Okay then. Looking forward for tomorrow. Like it was a good response for everyone. Appreciate that. Thanks everyone.
So please share the video. Please share the video, background video. Okay,
Yeah, sure.
background link and video.
Sure, please do remind me once.
Pankaj ji, actually, do share the meeting ID and password separately because हम लोग उससे लिंक से ज्वाइन नहीं कर पा रहे हैं, तो एक बार पासवर्ड और मीटिंग आईडी भी कल से शेयर कर दिया।
हाँ, शेयर कर दूंगा क्योंकि मुझे आइडिया नहीं था। लाइक जूम का अपडेट के बाद मैं खुद थोड़ा बहुत जूम में कंफ्यूज रह जाता हूँ, तो I'll share that. No worries.
Yeah. Thank you so much sir.
तो पंकज कल से हम लोग स्टार्ट करेंगे प्रैक्टिकल। हाँ,
राइट।
ओके, ठीक है।
ओके, चलिए ठीक है।
ना पंकज जी, एक चीज और भी है, तो अगर प्रैक्टिकल करेंगे तो डू वी रिक्वायर्ड सिस्टम फॉर दैट टुमारो ऑनवर्ड्स?
नहीं, प्रैक्टिकल हम लोग साथ ही साथ प्रैक्टिकल नहीं करेंगे। हम आपको बताएंगे क्या करना है और फिर आपको जाके अपना होमवर्क करके आना है।
अच्छा, ओके
ओके गुड। सो इट मींस वी विल बी नोटिंग इट डाउन ऑन द नोटबुक्स एंड देन उसके क्लास के बाद हम लोग उसको प्रैक्टिकल में करके आपको बैक करेंगे, राइट?
बेसिकली वी विल बी डिस्कसिंग कि जैसे मैंने बताया आज फेसबुक में कि ऑडियंस टारगेटिंग हो सकता है, इतना लेवल पे हो सकता है, वैसे हो सकता है। तो आप कल आपको एक आइडिया मिल जाएगा। कल के सेशन में विल बी डिस्कसिंग अबाउट ऑडियंस टारगेटिंग। तो और डिटेल्स में पूरा 1 घंटा तक हम ऑडियंस टारगेटिंग पे ही बात करेंगे कि कितना डीप लेवल तक आप जा सकते हो। तो आप चाहो तो नोट डाउन कर सकते हो, अच्छा रहेगा फ्यूचर के लिए नोटपैड पे।
और क्या यहाँ पे हम लोग लैंडिंग पेज बनाना भी सीखेंगे कि जैसे वो फेसबुक से हट के
सिर्फ फेसबुक एड्स, नथिंग एल्स? बिकॉज़
नहीं, फेसबुक ऐड के बाद जो वो आप जब कस्टमर जब क्लिक करता है उस पे, लीड जब क्लिक करेगा तो वो लैंडिंग पेज पे जाएगा ना, वो फेसबुक पे नहीं रहेगा फिर उसके बाद, राइट?
हाँ, वो इंस्टा मोजो से बन जाता है आपका, तो वो बेसिक हम लोग सीख लेंगे। लाइक जो मेरे पूरे सेटअप है 7th डे आपको बेसिक हम बता सकते हैं, लेकिन हम चाहते हैं, मेरा मेन इंटेंशन है कि 7 डेज के अंदर पूरा डिटेल्स में फेसबुक एड्स को कवर करे, एक टॉपिक तो अच्छे से क्लियर करे। ये चीज है, ठीक है
सर? ये पार्ट ऑफ अ टॉपिक रहेगा फिर तो सर?
ये पार्ट ऑफ अ टॉपिक नहीं रहेगा आपका, पूरा वो हो जाएगा ना, आपका एक्चुअल में लीड्स और सेल्स आना चालू हो जाएगा।
मेरा सवाल ये कि फॉर एग्जांपल मैंने जो रमजान भाई का भी था, राइट, that if we put any ad onto the Facebook, right, and customer comes and click on that ad, after that what happens? He's going nowhere, he's staying over there.
आप वेट करना, फिर 1-2 दिन वेट करो, आपको पता चलेगा कि कैसे वर्क करता है। बिना लैंडिंग पेज के भी हम लोग का एड चलता है। That's the beauty of Facebook ads.
Oh, that's great then. I will love to see that.
कंप्लीट प्रोग्राम है, आप बस एक्साइटेड होके वेट करते रहो, आपको मिलेगा 7th डे में पूरा प्रॉमिस जो किया वो सब मिलेगा। ओके,
राइट, थैंक यू सो मच,
ठीक है, चलिए, थैंक यू एवरीवन, बाय। कुछ क्वेश्चंस रहेगा, यू कैन आस्क ऑन व्हाट्सएप। बाय एवरीवन, थैंक यू, गुड नाइट।